Hi, this is a video concerning the new bottle insert. Here you can see the difference between the old and the new one. The full benefits of the new inserts are easy to set up. The insert can be assembled more intuitively, fast to set up, the assembly takes a few seconds, suitable for multiple bottle sizes and offering a guarantee of high protection by ISTA protocol. How to set up the new insert? It can be set up in a rolling motion. Head ends may or may not be provided with extra protection, and it's optimal use of the netto sheet. Next up, there are two videos showing you how to set up the new insert. Now you are ready to ship the new insert. Thank you for your attention.